Hi, I'm Shelley Kortson, expertvillage.com here, and we're doing beginning quilting. One of the necessary things for quilting and to have all your quilt blocks turn out good, perfect points, everything, is you've got to have a true 1/4 inch. And I'm going to show you how to set your machine up for that. Some machines now have a foot, which is called a 1/4 inch foot, and it is exactly, if I ran my fabric right along the edge, would be a 1/4 inch. They also have foots now that have an edge where you can run your fabric right against that edge and there's no guessing or slipping, which is what my machine has. Now, if you do not have one of those, the way to find out what a true 1/4 inch is take your ruler, stick it under your foot, and lower your needle on to the 1/4 inch on your ruler, which you can come into like right there. My needle is sitting on the 1/4 inch mark. Straight down here is my home thing for 1/4 inch. If I take a stack of Post-it notes and take half a stack or so of those, stick them on my machine right against there, and just put those down, now I have created a perfect 1/4 inch there that I can now take my fabric and run it against that, and I know I have a 1/4 inch from my needle to the edge of this, to the fabric. So that's kind of a cheater's way to mark it. You can put tape, different things like that. Now, if you don't have a 1/4 inch there, then you can move your needle back and forth. Most machines will do that. But usually you want your needle straight in the center, mark it, stick your Post-its on there, and you're ready to go. Very critical to have a 1/4 inch.